everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly. A very happy day out there to everybody watching. Today I want to sit down. When I get into my Shop My Stash, this is all I'm using for the month. I will leave my video up in the cards. It was a collab with Kyra. We decided to theme this month's Shop My Stash if I had to replace everything. So this is what I would replace everything with, and this is all I'm using. Like I said, this is all I'm using. I don't know what's happening. But anyways, I wanted to share a really quick mom look for today. I don't know. Let's put some makeup on. In case this is your first time here, hi, my name is Kelly. I'm very caffeinated and I have no idea where my words are going right now. But I hope you decide to stick around, hit the subscribe button, thumbs up, share with friends so I can make more friends. This is all I decided to use for the month. We did decide, like I said in the intro, if we lost everything, where would we start? So this is where I would start. Anyways, I did a look yesterday. I'm going to zoom you in. I did a look yesterday and I loved it. I'm on like a, is it a trend? I don't know if it's a trend. I don't know. I don't consider myself trendy. I do what's cute, I guess, on my face. And what I've been loving is like single eye looks, obviously. Anyways, I have been loving one shadow eye looks. Oh my god. I don't know why that was so hard to get out. I'll have everything listed down in the description box. But I mean, it's gonna be the same all month. Anyways, I have been really loving one shadow eye looks. I don't know what it is. It's easy. I'm a mom of 4 and I thought I had my ducks in a row with like this whole homeschooling thing. I do not. I don't know what's going on. Some days I have to look. I have multiple planners. So, you know, like this is my planner for YouTube that sits right next to me, so I know what I gotta do today. But then I also have one that tracks like my health because I am on a health journey, and then I also have like a daily one because I'm a mom of 4 or a family of 6, and I have like one of those giant I think people put them on their desk, but I taped it to the wall kind of calendars, and then you know you got your phone. I seriously I don't know what day it is. Some days, most days sometimes I ask multiple people, sometimes I text people, and then I still don't know up from down some days. So I don't have my poop in a group. I do not have my ducks in a row. So I do my makeup every day though, because it is a sense of normalcy. I do my makeup every day anyways. So I've been doing kind of an easier, faster look, but also I've been doing my makeup at the homeschool table, which is my dining room table. So I'm having to rush through it because in between helping everybody with their math for math hour, like it's a lot. It's a lot to handle, but like I said, I still do my makeup every day because I would any other time. Anyways. I hope everybody's doing well. Do you have your poop in a group? Let me know. Do you have your poop in a group? If you did or do, help. Send help. I got it under control. But I feel like it's out of control. Does that make sense? We're doing well though. As far as schooling, I have 8th grade. I've become a middle school teacher, 8th grade, with high school math, which is fine because I was a math Olympian, super math nerd, so I'm enjoying that. I'm also a 4th grade teacher. I'm a 1st grade teacher and a kindergarten teacher. Thankfully, I do have like really great like woods out back. So we do like nature hour and like we have fun recess. I don't know. But yeah, I'm a jack of many trades right now. Anyways, this is what I've been doing, like I was saying, because I've been doing my makeup at the homeschool table. And so I'm just kind of zooming through this. This is all makeup. I picked makeup in case I would love it if you went to watch my Shop My Stash video, but I picked base base makeup that kind of had multi-purpose. Like, this is sunscreen, but also it actually has a lot of like moisturizing properties, but also SPF. So, or did I say SPF? But it's great for a primer. Does that make sense? Blurs my pores. Fantastic. So, kind of covers 3. This one doesn't need to be set like that. And then this one doesn't need to be set either. And they all wear really, really well. So, I didn't have to pull a powder this month. But anyways, that's the reasoning for that. It was really hard picking items for this month at Shop My Stash. While I really, really liked it, I took some time. I stressed out about it, of course, because I stressed out about everything. But I really think this is where I would start. And I've gotten a little bit of boost in confidence with like the past, what is the matter, it's a couple weeks now. I really think I made some really great choices. I think instead of doing a favorites video at the end of the month, I think I'm going to do like a follow-up video, because I'm not using anything. I'm trying really hard not to use anything else but what's in my Shop My Stash, kind of like as a challenge. Kyra and I wanted to challenge ourselves to see, could we do this? Like, you know, did we make the right choices, or, you know, God forbid something did happen, we would know from this experiment, well, that didn't work for me, or I really missed this item kind of thing. So I don't think I'm doing a favorites video. I think I'm going to do just a longer follow-up video. But so far, I'm really excited. I am a little nervous because I don't know if this will last me all month. So I haven't decided how to navigate that one. Because also, I'm trying not to buy anything. But I decided I'll cross that bridge when I get there. If I get there, I don't know. But fingers crossed I won't, because I don't have... I did too. I wanted to pick things where it was like a one-stop shop. So... I did choose Ulta because I could get full face from Ulta. That made me really happy, I guess. I don't have anything else for brow products, I don't think, that from Ulta. Well, actually I do, but I wouldn't, in case of an emergency, I would not spend $25 or $20 even on a brow product, which is ABH. Or I got my brow blade. But I wouldn't replace like all of my makeup. That's not where I would start. Let's say that. That's not where I would start. I really think I would start elsewhere. But anyways, Fast Mom makeup, right? So I did pull the Cali Contour palette, and I love this shade right here. But this is a bronze. It's a bronze highlighter. I can wear it as highlighter. It's really, really pretty. But I like a shimmery, so I dip twice in here and then once in here. And then that's all I do for the cheeks. So this has just really been fast for me. And I do kind of take it up a little bit higher because I'm not using a blush. But I bronze glow, and I'm really excited. But anyways, I don't know how to navigate that. And I do get Ipsy, and I think I'm just going to either not open, or... I don't know. I don't know what to do with Ipsy. I don't know if I should do a video. I mean, let me know down in the comment section, like, would you want to see just like an unboxing? Because I, honest to goodness, trying to stick to just this for the month. Because that would be really interesting to see if this is enough. Like, did I pull the right things? Is it enough? But do we need to add a little bit more? Of course I do. Just because I like a super bronze look at the moment. So I'm just going back in here, again, dipping between both of them and just kind of buffing it all over like my cheek area. Because again, I'm not using blush. And then just to bronze the nose, because hey, your nose would get hit with the sun, right? Okay, then dusting it off, and then it just going right back into that bronzy, and just right kind of higher. And bring in some glow, and then down the nose. And then that's all I've been doing. And I love this on my skin. What is this? I'm like, it won't go. It's like, Where'd it go now? My hair is, I have health issues, so sometimes my hair falls out. Sometimes it starts to grow back, and this is new growth, and then more new growth. Like, it won't go this way, it won't go that way. That's why I've been wearing my hair parted down the middle. But anyways, this is where I would start my collection back up, is the Lorac Pro 3, the eyeshadow palette. I am so happy I picked this one. I was almost a little bit nervous when I did pick it because I was like, oh, I don't know. Is it my number one favorite? No, none of this is my number one favorite, but I love all of this stuff because it all does sit up here with me. But anyways, I'm really falling back in love with this palette, like, and the Lorac formula. Oh my god. But anyways, my favorite color right now is Cool Taupe. Wow. This is what I did the other day. Where's that big brush I used too? Okay, I used this giant, like, flat shader brush. I got in there, tapped it out, and again, I didn't use eye primer, and I just stippled this. I guess that's what I'm doing right now, is stippling on my eye and just, like, taking it up into the crease. Like, that's all I'm doing. That's it. So, this is a new setup. I think I got my lighting right. I don't know. I'm still going to play with it, I'm sure, but not really blending it. I'm just, like, stippling it up. Does that make sense? I'm only dipping in once, and then, like, are we uneven? Sure. Sure we are. But let's try to even it out a little bit, but just one brush. And I'm not, like, getting too fussy with it, and just using my finger to kind of soften the edges where I went a little crazy pants on one side, like I do every day, right? Okay, and that's all I'm going to do for eyeshadow, like that one mono color, and oh, I really love this. And when you look at this, Cool Taupe was actually one shade that I didn't use a ton of. I used a lot of clay. I haven't used clay much. I used it, I think, once since this project pan. I've been going back to this one. Like, I love this look. I don't know what it is. I love it. I love it. I love it. And the whole one brush kind of thing. It's been working for the fast mom mornings. Okay, so, I mean, that's really all I've been doing for my face, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with my Pixi Spray Glow Mist. I'm going to line my lips with the automatic lip liner from Ulta Beauty, put on my lip gloss that I love, and then the L'Oreal Luminous mascara, but I look like a hot mess and I make funny faces, so I'm going to zoom through these and be right back. Okay, and this is the finished look. This is, like, literally the fastest get ready with me I've ever done. Crazy. My time says 20 minutes, which is going to be under 20 minutes because I'll edit some parts out. But anyways, like I said in the beginning, I've been having a lot of fun with this little basket. I think I did really, really well so far. I think I did really, really well. I have a little bit more to go in the month, but this has really been my go-to. Just one look on the eyes. I've been dipping between the bronzer and the bronzier highlighter. And just doing that, giving me a really nice glow on the cheeks with a little bit of bronze. And then sometimes, like today, I took a little bit extra of the glow and just popped it on there. Same brush, you know. So really, I did what? 1, 2, 3 brushes. That's it. I did one for the cheeks, one for the face, and one for the eyes. So I just keep experimenting. And if I lost everything, I think I did good so far. So anyways, I will link all of the other videos I have using this stuff. The initial video, collab with Kyra, and then I did a really fun video last week. But anyways, definitely, if you haven't already, subscribe. I would love it if you shared with your friends, and give this video a thumbs up. Helps me out. But anyways, let me know down in the comments. How's your day? And is your poop in a group? Do you have your ducks in a row? Let me know. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!